Welcome to the new session. Today we will be doing the next exercise, and the topic is converting product into sum oblique difference and vice versa. This is there, converting product into sum and difference. Now what is the product here? The product is 2 sin A cos B. First one is A and second one is B. So it is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. If we find the formula for this and this is sin A cos B plus cos B sin A. This is sin A cos B minus cos B sin A. So plus cos B sin A and minus cos B sin A will be getting cancelled. You will be getting 2 sin A cos B. Now the second formula is 2 cos A. Instead of sin, now we can interchange these two. We can write 2 cos A sin B is equal to sin, formula will remain same. Here only difference will be of sin. Here this will be plus and here it will be minus. If cos will come in the beginning, then minus sign will appear. S means sum, C means cut, cut means difference. Now the formula is 2 cos A cos B. So here cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. This is the formula. So both will be cos. Here these are sin cos, here cos sin, we got sin sin and sin sin, cos cos. Now 2 sin A sin B is equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So these are the formulae for the product which we have converted into sum and difference of the trigonometric function. These are very important formulae that you have to just go through and you have to learn it. Now the half angle formula we just say, here it is sin x plus sin y. So same thing here it will be. Here we are taking it to be x, here we are taking it to be y. So it will be 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Here only thing, here you are putting A plus B in place of A plus B. Here you are putting x, here you are putting y, here you are putting x plus y, here you are putting x minus y by 2 will be there in both. So first formula is sin A plus sin B. Now the second formula is sin x minus sin y. Now here it will be 2. So here again this will be getting changed. So 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. Now the third one is cos A plus cos B is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2, and here cos x y, cos x minus cos y is equal to minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. So here minus sign will appear. So these are the formulae that we have seen, and these formulae we will be using in solving our questions. So first question, exercise 3.6. First question is 2 sine 3x cos 2x. This is 2 sine A cos B. What the formula will be? Sine 3x plus 2x plus sine 3x minus 2x. So formula will be sine 5x plus sine x. And if we want to convert this into this form, so this will be 2 sine 5x plus x by 2 into cos 5x minus x by 2, and we will be getting this formula. Reverse also is true. Now the second part, or rather we can have the third part. What it is? 2 sine 4x into sine 2x, and this equal to cos A minus B, means 4x minus 2x minus cos 4x plus 6x, and this equal to how much? Cos 2x minus cos 10x. And if you wish, you can put it in this formula, you will be getting this one. How we can get? If I just want to have this, convert this into this form, this is minus sine this plus this by 2. Just check it. 4x plus 2x. No, it is not 6x, it is 2x. So this is 6x. So it will be how much? 2x plus 6x. How much? 8x by 2. 4x, and the second one will be sine minus 2x, and this minus and that minus will be getting cancelled. So we will be getting this answer, cos 2x minus cos 6x. Now the next one, question number 2. First part, sine 10x plus sine 6x. This formula we have to use here. What the formula will be? Sine A plus sine B equal to 2 sine A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. So this is 2 sine 16x by 2 means 8x, and this is 4x by 2 means 2x. Now the third part, cos 10x plus cos 6x. So it will be 2 cos 10x plus 6x by 2 into cos 10x minus 6x by 2 equal to 2 cos 8x and cos 4x by 2, 2x. Now the third question. Question number 3. What the question number 3 says? First part, 2 cos 45 degree cos 15 degree is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2. This we have to prove. Now we have to use the formula for 2 cos A cos B. The formula is cos A plus B into plus cos A minus B. So here the formula for this one will be LHS. We can write LHS equal to cos 45 plus 15 by 2 degree we can put, and into plus cos 45 minus 15 by 2. So this is cos 60, and here it will be how much? Sorry, this 2 won't be there. Only this one will be there. So here it will be cos 60 degree plus cos 30 degree, and here this one will be cos 60 is 1 by 2, and this is root 3 by 2, and this is 1 plus root 3 by 2 is equal to RHS. Now we will be doing question number 4. Question number 4 is first sine 80 degree minus cos 70 degree is equal to cos 50 degree. This we have to prove. Sine 60 minus cos 70 equal to cos 50 degree. This we have to prove it. Now the formula, because here we cannot apply the formula, here this is sine and this is cos. So what we have to do, we have to write this as cos 90 minus 20 degree, and now this LHS will become, this is sine 80 degree minus sine 20 degree. Now we can apply the formula. The formula is how much? 2 cos 80 plus 20 by 2, correct? 2 sin A sin B. Sin A minus sin B is what? 2 cos A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. So this is 100 by 2 means 50, and here it will be how much? It will be sin 30. This is sin 30 degree, and this is 2 cos 50 degree, and sin 30 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2, this will be getting cancelled. So it is cos 50 degree. This is the answer. Now here again we have to do the same thing. Here we have to just write here sine 36 degree. Here we have to rub this. Here also we have to write plus cos 90 minus how much degree? 54 degree. And what we have to prove? This is cos 9 degree, not 90 degree, this is 9 degree. Correct? So here what the formula will be? This is sine 36 degree plus sine 54 degree. This one we have got. Now formula will be 2 sine 36 plus 54 by 2 into cos, this we can write first 54 minus 36 by 2 degrees you can put here. This is 2, this is sine 45 degree and this is cos 9 degree. Sine 45 is 1 upon root 2 into cos 9 degree. This can cancel this by root 2 times, so root 2 cos 9 degree. Now we can do the sixth question. Now we will be doing question number 6. The question is, here the formula we can use is cos C minus cos D. So minus 2 sine 20 plus 70, 90 by 2, 45. Here 20 minus 70, so here it will be minus sine 25 degree upon how much? 2 cos 45 degree and here sine 25 degree. This minus sine minus theta is minus sine theta, minus will be going out, so it will be 2 sine 45 degree sine 25 degree upon 2 cos 45 degree and sine 25 degree. This will be getting cancelled. We are knowing that the value of sine 45 and cos 45 is same, that is 1 upon root 2, that will be getting cancelled. And what will be getting cancelled? 2 also will be getting cancelled, so answer will be 1. Now the 7th question, first part. This is part first. This is sine pi by 4 plus x into sine pi by 4 minus x is equal to 1 by 2 cos 2x. So what we have to do in this? Here we can use the formula only when it is 2 sine A sine B. So sine A is this is B. So what are we not having? We are not having 2. So what can we do? We can multiply and divide by 2. So here it will be like this. So this is 1 by 2, 2 sin A sin B. So 2 sin A sin B is what? Sin A plus B. Plus what it will be? 2 sin A sin B is, sorry, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So what have we got? We have got this cos 2x minus cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0. So here 1 by 2 cos 2x minus 0 or 1 by 2 cos 2x. Now same we can use for third part. Sin pi by 4 plus x into sin plus sin 5 pi by 6 minus x is equal to cos x. This we have to prove. This is sin C plus sin D. And what is the formula for sin C plus sin D? Sin C plus sin D is 2 sin pi by 4 plus x plus 5 pi by, this is 5 pi by 6. So 5 pi by 6 plus x plus 5 pi by 6 minus x into cos 5 pi by 6 plus x minus 5 pi by 6 plus x. This will be getting cancelled. And here what it will be? By 2, because this is sin C plus sin D. So it is 2 sin, here x got cancelled. So 2 into 5 pi by 6 upon 2. So this 2 and 2 will be getting cancelled. Cos 2x. What have we got? 2 sin 5 pi by 6 into cos 2x. Now 5 pi by 6 is 30 and 5 pi by 6 is sin 150 degree. This we can add as sin pi minus pi by 6. We can put equal to sign everywhere into cos 2x. This is 2 sin pi by 6 cos 2x and sin 30 is 1 by 2. This will be getting cancelled. So what the answer will be? Cos 2x. This is cos 2x by 2 by 2. So here it will be cos x and here it will be cos x.